The back of the rug.
Wow. I can't see anything.
Well, I haven't started yet. Hi, friends. Okay, so remind me because I was not listening. Sorry.
What?
How do you make, what makes a tornado?
What happened?
Wait, raising your hand.
High air comes from one of the sides and cold air comes from the other side. Hey, you didn't tell.
It's Zaria's turn. So hot air comes from one side and cold air comes from a second side, and they do what?
No.
They smash together?
Yeah.
They smash together. Lucas.
I know.
Lucas. Well, Zaria just told us, but thank you so much.
There's something.
Oh, there's something more? Okay, tell me.
There's a cloud on the top.
Oh. So it has to start from a cloud?
No, it has to be windy or then a tornado won't go.
Right, so if hot air and cold air touch and there's no wind,
It won't make a tornado.
it will not make a tornado. So
It has a thundercloud on top.
and it has to have the thundercloud on top. Okay. So my friends, I'm going to teach you a new word. I think it's a new word for you. Can anyone tell me what a vortex is? Oh, you guys have learned about a vortex.
Yeah, we have a
Come on.
It's just like a polar vortex.
It's just like, but what is a vortex? I love that you brought up the polar vortex. Hold on, Tommy. I'll call you next.
Really cold, and it comes down from the North Pole down to Chicago.
So yeah, that is the polar vortex. You are correct.
Then how did it get to Chicago?
I'm not sure. I don't know all that much about the polar vortex. I just know that it makes it very cold. But Tommy, do you know what a vortex is?
Yeah, it's like a swirling disc. It's like that.
A swirling disc?
It looks like a tornado, but it's made of it's just like a lot of wind. But it looks like tornadoes.
Okay, so that was such a good explanation. I'm going to tell you guys, hold on, Harry, I'll come back to you. I'm going to tell you guys what a vortex is. A vortex, can you guys say vortex?
Vortex.
Vortex. A vortex is when...
Wait, my mom has that ring.
The ring? Oh, that's my wedding ring, thank you. The vortex is when either air or water are swirling and whirling together and they create a vacuum. And what does a vacuum do? Harry, do you know what a vacuum? It sucks, right? So the air, the water is swirling and whirling, and it creates a vacuum, and it pulls things towards it. So today, we're not making a tornado, but we will make...
I know what we're making.
What are we making?
A Dougie.
A Dougie. We're making a vortex.
Okay, I got some. I probably...
Yes. Wait, listen, I can't hear my friend. Oh yeah, Harry, can you tell me what you want to say first?
You're the second tornado. Wait, sets up a lot of ice to make it cold. And that's how it gets bigger.
Oh my goodness.
When we make a tornado, stuff go in it, and it can get through out.
So, my friends, if you can hear me, touch your nose. If you can hear me, touch your ears. If you can hear me, pat your head. If you can hear me, wiggle your fingers. If you can hear me, smile real big. Show me those beautiful white smiles. Oh, beautiful. Fiona, that's a really good sign. All right, my friends. So what did I say that we were going to create? I love it, Tommy. I love your smile. What are we going to create today? A vortex. Can anyone, real quick, tell me what a vortex is again? Right, it's swirling or whirling together, right? Okay, so how we're going to do this is we are going to take this jar, right? And what do you think is in this jar? Oh, thank you for raising your hand. Water, you're right. You guys are right. And we are going to add. You are right. It is water. What does this look like? Water. It does look like water. Does it smell like water? Smell it? Does it smell like water?
I smell. No. It's vinegar. It's vinegar.
Oh, good job.
Oh, my dad has vinegar. My dad smells. I didn't smell it.
Okay, I'll bring it back to you
I
there.
can't smell.
My friends
It's
know
vinegar.
No, that's water. This is water.
I am.
Good job. There you go. Good job. All right, sit back down, my friends. You need one more? All right, I'm putting the cap back on. Listen, listen, everybody listen. Listen, listen, everybody listen. Thank you. So we are going to
Make a real tornado.
well, we're going to make a vortex. Remember, not a tornado. This is water. We are going to pour a little bit of the vinegar.
How do you know it's going to work? It's not even swirling.
Well, we're not swirling it yet. And we are going to pour some soap.
What is that?
It's soap.
Oh. Why do you need soap? Why is it not swirling?
Well, I haven't started swirling it yet. I want to make sure it's on real nice and tight. Right.
Holy cow!
Hold on, it's got to settle.
Why is it not swirling?
We're getting there, buddy. Hopefully. Can't see it. Oh, no.
Maybe I can do
The
that.
bubbles are too thick. Well, you are strong,
I'm strong.
but we just can't see it.
I know how you do it. We can throw it at the wall.
Right, so right now I can't see it.
No, there's a block of
But I have an idea.
Oh!
I have an idea. Please don't touch that. I am going to add,
Lots of food coloring.
no, not positive colors. Not pennies
Money.
either. I'm going to add
Buttons.
buttons. See
E.
if we can see through that. There we go.
Oh yeah, I see them. Buttons. Why
I got
is
some
it
buttons
gold?
and beads. What do you think is going to happen with the buttons
They're gonna
and
get sucked
beads?
up.
They're going to get sucked up to where?
To the top.
To the top? So everyone see the buttons and
forgot
beads?
some.
Oh, I did forget some. You're right. Let's put those in there. Oh, thank you. Thank you.
Oh yeah, I can
Very
see.
sudsy.
How did it feel?
Yeah, I don't think he touched it. So let's see if we can see it a little better now that we have some colored stuff in there.
Yeah. Take it more.
Uh-oh.
Whoa!
Oh, no.
Holy!
Right. So what's happening is the buttons and the beads are getting sucked up into the vortex. Okay, and what's the vortex?
It's just world. It's an air and water.
No, well,
Oh,
it's air and water that's swirling and whirling together. That creates a vacuum, right?
Yeah, but it's a vacuum.
A vacuum.
The shorter way to say it is like you're a vacuum. Can I shake it?
Yes, you can.
Can I shake it?
Yeah, hold on. We're all gonna have a chance. Everyone sit down.
Only kids who are sitting quietly.
So when you're done shaking it, can you stand up and choose a friend that is sitting nice and quietly? Whoa. Whoa. You gotta make sure you shake it in a circle. Good job.
Can you explain vortex to us one more time? I just want to make sure I get there.
Me? All right, a vortex is when either air or water is swirling and whirling,
Soap?
right? Well, this is water, right?
I don't know. I need to pick some.
It's air or water that's swirling and whirling, and it creates a vacuum
Pick some.
that sucks things towards it.
Someone right now.
And that is a vortex.
For a while, come on.
All right, Cameron, let's choose a friend.